Neasden College invites you to a special event whereby we'll be hosting the aftermath of the Nigerian election. At Nesden, we believe that sustainable development is the pathway to the future we all want. It offers a framework to generate economic growth, achieve social justice, exercise environmental stewardship, and strengthen governance. Therefore, Neasden College UK presents Alaigbo Moving Forward Agenda, the journey for a new Alaigbo. Join us on the 6th of April 2019 between 5 p.m. and 9 p.m. and networking onwards till late at the Poalo House, 3 to 5 Lansdowne Road, Croydon, CR0 2BX. This event will be hosted by Lady Nikky Emelike, CEO of Neasden College. It will be a great opportunity to liaise with newly elected governors and listen to great speakers on the day, such as His Excellency Okeze Victor Ikpeazu, Maazị Obiokole Ojelibozi, Benson Onyekachi Chibuna, Chief Dr. Kate Anoluwe, Dr. Anna Mbacho Obuebili, Chief Alex Ubaka Achebe, Dr. George Onuha, Ubanu Newman, Mr. Charles Arewodo. It's a day not to be missed. The new Alaigbo Development is our collective responsibility.